Whether it's telling yourself over and over again that you'll study properly this semester as you spend your third hour on YouTube, or promising yourself you'll eat healthier for the third time this week, goal setting and achieving is something we all struggle with. The best way to achieve your goals is to make them easy and sustainable. That way, you don't need massive amounts of willpower and commitment to achieve them. We provide you with easy ways to achieve any goal you set. Firstly, it's important to practice goal integration. This basically involves integrating the goal you set for yourself into your daily routine. Think of it this way. In school, we have a set time to do everything, whether it's studying math or eating lunch, and when the bell rings for the next class, we pack up everything and move to the next item on our agenda. We don't have much of a choice in our routine. Oftentimes, when we set goals, we forget to implement them into our routine, and we end up with a goal that's both vague and unattainable. For example, say your goal is to study every day. Simply saying and writing down that you want to study every day will be so vague that you end up going, I can study later, after school, and then after you speak with your friends, and then so on and so forth, until you just don't end up studying. Instead, try the what, when, how, where method. This is as it sounds. Set aside a specific time for your goal and make a workflow as to how exactly you plan to achieve it. So instead of saying you'll study every day, say to yourself, I will solve math past papers from 4 pm to 5 pm every day, except Thursdays because I have dance class. Then I will do an hour of homework. This should answer the what, when, and how of your goal. And remember, these timings, just like school, are non-negotiable. If you're unable to finish something, you have to move it to the next day or schedule another time for it. This way, your goal becomes integrated into your daily routine. And this makes it extremely easy for you to make this goal into a habit, which will help you ensure that you accomplish that goal every day. The next way to set appropriate goals and achieve them is obstacle prevention. Obstacle prevention during goal achieving is extremely important. Take wanting to study every day, for example. After you've successfully what, when, and how the goal, it can still sometimes be difficult to achieve it. Whether it's because you get distracted by YouTube's recommendations you didn't know you needed to watch, or your forever active group chat, we can't simply rely on a schedule to make it work. After all, goals such as studying every day aren't exactly intuitive or enjoyable. So instead of leaving achieving these goals to sheer willpower, remove the obstacles that hurdle your path to success. One way to do this, and the easiest way, is to simply harness the inner lazy person we have within us. Remember, if you decrease convenience, you're less likely to do something. So just like you make it more convenient for you to achieve your goals by integrating them into your routine, do the opposite for your distractions or obstacles. Make it less convenient for you to be distracted. For example, Google's employees were set to gain 15 pounds within the first 6 months of starting their job. To prevent this, Google simply decided to move their employees' snack counters further away from their desks. The employees had to work harder to get their junk food, and because it was now less convenient, they simply did not snack as much. You can use this way of obstacle blocking and obstacle prevention in your own life as well. For example, if you want to study every day, the time that you set for studying, make sure you have your textbooks near you so that you don't have to get up to go up and get them. Secondly, make sure your phone or YouTube stays far away from you. Maybe you power off your phone or put it on mute so that you're not tempted to look at notifications. Simple, small things like this can help you ensure that you achieve your goal in the best way possible. In 2020 especially, when we're all sitting at home and our routine seems to be so stagnant, it's difficult to convince ourselves to achieve the goals that we want to achieve, to live the life that we want to live. We hope these 2 simple tips and tricks help you achieve all the goals that you want to achieve. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more tips on how to effectively set and achieve your goals, as well as other tips and tricks to help strengthen and maintain your mental well-being.